Before the Maharashtra elections, Sharad Pawar faced a setback as the Supreme Court allowed Ajit Pawar's faction of the NCP to continue using the clock election symbol. The court instructed the Ajit Pawar faction to submit an affidavit clarifying compliance with its March 19th order, which required a public notice stating that the use of the symbol depends on the court's decision. The court emphasized that both NCP faction must adhere to its instructions and warned of possible contempt proceedings if orders were disobeyed. Sharad Pawar's faction requested the court to ban the symbol of Ajit Pawar's group, arguing it could mislead voters, but the court denied this request. The appeal against the Election Commission's decision is still pending. The Supreme Court rejected a public interest litigation filed by the National Federation of Indian Women, which sought contempt action regarding the ongoing bulldozer demolition across the country. The court ruled that the petition could not be based solely on news reports. Appearing for the petitioners, lawyer Sevkal Nizam Pasha argued that the demolition occurred in violation of court directions, citing examples from Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand and Rajasthan. However, Additional Solicitor General K.M. Natraj, representing Uttar Pradesh, countered that the issue was related to encroachments and that the case relied on media reports. Justice B.R. Gavai stated the court would not consider the petition unless a directly affected party came forward, emphasizing that petitions cannot be based solely on media reports. The court ultimately dismissed the petition. The Supreme Court has asked the central government to respond regarding property division for atheists born into Muslim families. Fatima from Kerala has challenged the Indian Succession Act of 1925, which excludes Muslims, including atheists, from its application. She argues that individuals who do not wish to follow Muslim personal law should be allowed to opt for this act. Though the court issued a notice in April, the government has yet not replied. The Additional Solicitor General, Aishwarya Bharti, stated that the act clearly excludes Muslims and mentioned that the government is still considering a uniform civil code. The Delhi High Court has issued a notice in response to a PIL seeking the establishment of a regulatory board to oversee the resale of concert tickets through authorized platforms. A bench led by Chief Justice Manmohan and Justice Tushar Rao Gedla has requested a response from the central government regarding the unauthorized sale of tickets online. The petitioners argued that illegal online ticket sale violate the law and should be stopped. Senior advocate Rajshekhar Rao referenced the Coldplay concert tickets controversy as an example and emphasized the need for immediate action. The court had previously addressed a similar petition on ticket scalping, the practice of buying tickets in bulk and reselling them at inflated prices. This new petition is set for a hearing in February 18th. The Delhi High Court heard a plea from the Delhi Fireworks Shopkeepers Association challenging the Delhi government's ban on the manufacture, storage and sale of firecrackers. Justice Sanjeev Narula directed licensed firecracker sellers to halt sales in Delhi until January 1, 2025, in line with the government's notification, while the association argued they have valid license under Explosive Act of 1884. The court clarified that they can only store fireworks up to licensed limits. The association voluntarily offered to seal its premises during the ban, and the court ordered the sealing to be video recorded, with the premises to remain sealed until the ban expires. Afterward, the SDM will oversee the de-sealing. The Allahabad High Court has rejected a recall petition from the Shahi Eidgah site in the Sri Krishna Janmabhoomi dispute, clearing the way for the simultaneously hearing of 15 related cases. Justice Mayank Kumar Jain, siding with the Hindu party, ruled that since all cases revolved around the alleged illegal occupation of the site, they should be heard together. The mosque side argued that the cases sought different reliefs and should be handled separately, but the court disagreed. The hearings are set for November 6, 2024. This is one of Justice Jain's final significant rulings before his retirement in November. Watch our special programs and share the videos to stay updated with daily court proceedings.